Ruto William Samoei has been duly elected as the president.
Thiko ciganona thutha wa munini wa president William Ruto kwanirwo ta president muthure ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati. Atongoria kuuma ithuiro ria bururi nimoritie mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimo la Umoja Raila Odinga gwitikira maumirira. Matongoretio ni seneta muthure wa kaunti ya Bungoma Moses Masika Wetangula. Atongoria aya ni maugite ni mehariirie kwaraniria na Raila Odinga niguo bururi uhote guthie na mbere indi ti miario yoria makugayana thirikari.
Ndio hata mumeona ndugu zetu ambao wamezoea fujo baada ya kura wamesema hapana, this one we see we lost fairly. Kura zetu hazikutosha na kura za wale zilizidi zetu. And for us, we shall be magnanimous in triumph. We are not going to exalt ourselves because we have won. We have won not because we are good, but because the people of Kenya saw us as fit to guide our country to the next level.
Wetangula ugete ihinda ria uteti ni rikinyete muthia na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni hariirie gukinyaniria ciiraniro iria yerire muingi hindi ya kampeni cia githurano kinene.
Hustler fund yenye tulisema kuleta kwa kina mama na vijana kufanya biashara. Tukiingia tu hivi, we are going to carry out a supplementary budget to release the tranche to the counties, watu waanze kubadilisha economy ya nchi.
Hamwe noguo Wetangula ni oritie mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kwiyumiria king'ang'a-ini na gwitikira maumirira ma githurano kihituku na oho ahimbirie uhotani wa William Ruto.
Ile tunakuomba tu vile the delegation from America told you yesterday. And I want to thank you for assuring them that the transition will be orderly. Please break your silence and acknowledge, one, that there was an election, two, that you supported a candidate, three, that the candidate you supported did not win.
Mwena-ini wake mubunge muthure wa Kabuchai Majimbo Kalasinga augite ari na mwihoko igoti karu nirigateaniria cira uria utanyitwo kwambikwo ni ngwataniro ya Azimo la Umoja ikiregana na maumirira ma giturwa kia president.
As they go to court, let them know we have senior lawyers who are going to ground the courts headed by Honorable Moses Masika Wetangula to give proper English in courts. And we shall trounce you. Come with all the evidence.
Agi atongoria aria mauma igongona-ini riri ni murugamiri wa atumia kaunti-ini ino Catherine Wabirianga, undu umwe na mubunge muthure wa Tongaren John Chikati.
I think among the daughters-in-law.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njeta Kamau wa Mwangi.
Na lakini alisimama na